You'll notice that we've written in text to this particular column. And we can do that in any column that we're going to be working with. So for example, if we're going to write in text to a specific column, all we'll need to do is to go to the cell or the address bar to write that text in. When you write that text in, Excel can differentiate when you're writing it in as text or a label from something else that you are trying to do. Once you have your text, you can manipulate it using the home menu. You can set different parameters for the text. As you can see, we've bolded, italicized, and underlined. Remember, what we can also do is if our cell is not wide enough, we can click on the side arrow or sidebar and then open up the cell so that it will be wide enough to have all of the text in. Now, there are formulas that we can use on the text that we place inside of Excel. We can use the formulas in the text area as well as the logical area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.